Hello guys, it's Runke here for Nigeria and Losing Nigerian. Today we're going to be making super quick recipe in the air fryer. We're going to be using yam which I had soaked. It's extremely helpful if you have your yam soaked prior. It takes away most of that bitterness. So in here I'm tossing some of the soaked yam with a little bit of oil and then leave some water in there as well so you can kind of like steam up the yam. And that's about that for the yam. Here I have mackerel fish which I had seasoned with some spices. Definitely use your favorite spices. I like to put ginger. It helps with the taste. And in here I have the pepper sauce, which is just a blend of onion and bell peppers. I do not have any tomato in this mix. Again, I'm going in with some spices. Use your favorite ones. And then for this process, you can use a silicone mold. I think after I did this video, I was like, oh, using a silicone mold would have actually been a better option. So instead of using foil, definitely use a silicone mold. Put it in with a little bit of oil as well, because you just want everything to like cook together. If you have just one side to your air fryer, you can use just one side. You don't have to use two since we're using the same temp for everything. I'm going to be cooking this at 375. You can choose between 375 to 390 depending on how crispy you want this to be, and I'm going in for about 14 minutes. I believe I actually added about 2 minutes at the end, but when this was done, just kind of like crisp it up a little bit more. And that's that, guys. It's so simple, super easy. I have my yam in here. I'm going in with the fish, and then I have my pepper sauce going in on the side. Yeah, it's super flavorful, really simple on days that you really don't want to stress yourself to cook. And then I just added the oil that came out of the mackerel, just kind of like, infuse that flavor into the pepper sauce a little. And that's that. Enjoy. Let me know if you tried this recipe in the comments down below.